Start way. Come on, Jack, so we outside. She's so bad, my father. Listen to cat, she said the style like this and the hot guy. She from the hot guy, she love the time guy. She begging me fuck up and begging like fly right. I'm in the spotlight, glass on the front straight down on the night side. I do the team some sharp light. I'm like gonna sell the money, no the boss, like star boy. Outside the wall, now I'm ready. Come on steady with the cat palm belly. One chick turn the man to get the celly. And if this will make it ring like a celly, yo, I'm up to a bad this my boy. A high grade, we are over drink. Cash up on the city. I knew forgot we didn't finish. She's a wild, alright. But some cat like she said the style like listen on the archive. She from the hot guy. She love the tall guy, so she making me fuck up and belly like far right. I'm on the small front glass on the fast right, gone on the north side. I give my team some sharp light. I'm not gonna sell the money in the past life star boy. She got a star chick, some Gucci, I'm a dolly, a Barbie, she got them bush. I never been on the move, bro, but if you're the car, I'm gonna kill her with shit.
Panie Andrea, mi sembra il track di una della storia Ras 2 T.